Today's the day. In just a moment, we're going to jump onto my computer and I'm going to show you how to make your own audio affirmations so that you can start reprogramming your subconscious mind. But first, why would you want to do that? You see, I've explained this in another video in the past in more detail, but in short, we live in a world where we take in information from the outside world, circumstances, limiting beliefs, experiences we have in life, and it really dictates the way we think and feel and ultimately affects the results in our life. So this powerful audio affirmations audio that you can make is ultimately going to reprogram your subconscious mind and help you to get better results in your life. Hey everyone, my name's Paul, the founder of intralifestyle.com, and I'm here to help you live with greater health, happiness and freedom. Now without further ado, let's get onto my computer so I can show you how to do this. Alright then, so I'm on my computer now and I'm going to show you the process of how to do this. But before we do that, I just want to mention in a second, I'm going to share with you all of the things, the resources and equipment that you will need to make this happen. So I want to simplify it as much as possible so that you can do it right away because it doesn't take too long. So I'll list that out. And then anything I do mention and other things that are useful, I'll also put in a link below the description where you can get access to any of the resources that you might need. So firstly then, we need something to be able to record the audio. And this can be on your cell phone, it can be on a microphone externally, and you can use your computer. Obviously the simplest and fastest way to do this would be to use the audio piece on your phone and just record it straight into there. But if you want to go a bit more advanced and have a better quality, then I would recommend using an external microphone. And there's many different ones you can have. I'm using the Yeti microphone and I can post a link below if you want to check that one out. But if you're just starting off and you want to get this moving ASAP, then your smartphone will be fine. And then next up, you're going to need some kind of software or app if you're doing it on your phone where you can edit the audio and mix this together. So Audacity is a free software that you can use, or if you're an Apple user, you could use GarageBand. And maybe there's some other ones out there as well. There's also some phone apps. And again, if you want to go more advanced, there's paid software that you can get for this. And then you're going to want some music to use. So in a minute, I'll go over some of the different places where you can use that to get some resources. Some are paid and some will be free. And then after this, you want your affirmations, which are going to be the words that you're using that you want to record. So the empowering statements, the new beliefs, the affirmations that are going to be used to get into your subconscious mind. To do this, ideally you want to have them pre-planned. You want to know what you're saying, but you don't have to do that. You can just have a play around with it. And if you want some help on that, it's going to be worth examining your current belief patterns. And if you want, I've got a free belief blueprint that you can download, and I'll leave a link below this video where you can get access to that. Maybe go over that first, take some time, really get clear on the affirmations you want to use and even specific areas of your life. And then once you've got that, you know what you're saying, you've got all of the software and the equipment, the next thing to do is to get into a high vibe state. So what I mean by that is you want something that feels emotional, you want energy, you want to actually do this so it empowers you in a way. There's no point in doing it when you're tired because you're going to hear it in your voice. You have to get yourself into state. So you can go for a workout, you can do a breathing exercise, have a cold shower, do a meditation, do some sort of visualization, whatever you need to do to get you into a place of higher energy that's going to be more meaningful and more impactful for you. Okay, so that's it. Now we're going to show you how to do it all. One of the first places worth checking out is the YouTube audio library. Now this is going to have a range of genres of music that you can download, and lots of it is copyright free. Maybe all of it is, I'm not sure, but you can check on there. There's even copyright free playlists. But there'll be information in the description of each of the videos which you can scroll down through. So I recommend going on the playlist tab and then looking for a genre that you like. And this will be dependent on the emotions you're trying to feel, what you're looking to use these affirmations for, when you're looking to listen to them. So maybe you have multiple times a day. So here you've got happy music, you've got pop music, inspirational music. Once you find the music you like, have a listen, play around with it, and then you can go down into the description and there'll be some information there about how you can use it or where you can download it from. So you can see here, there's a download link. Now sometimes it will take you to an external link. It might just request you to give them a thumbs up on Spotify or somewhere else just to support the artist. But most of them will tell you if you can download them for free, so you know that it's safe to use. And there are other free options available out there, so it's worth just having a look on Google. I will post some more links in the description below for anything I find, but just do a search for music that you can get for free to use for this project. And if you're looking for something a little bit more advanced, a bit higher quality, you can go on a website such as DL Sounds. They've got a range of options on here. You can click genres, atmospheric or meditation, hypnosis, relaxation. So it might be more suitable for you finding something on here. And then it's got a bunch of samples so you can actually play through these, see what you like. There'll be some kind of small fee or mini subscription to be able to get access to these. But if you want to take it more seriously, then this may be a good option for you. There are also some other ones online which you can do from a simple Google search. So the next step, once you have your audio files downloaded, you want to use the software which you've got. So in this instance, I'm using Audacity, and I've already downloaded an audio file for free off one of those websites. And you can see that it's already in there dragged in. So the next thing from here, you want to actually create a new track. Depending on what software you're using, it's going to be slightly different. So here I'm just going to add a mono track. And then with this, what I would do is I would hit record, listen to it. When you do this, you want to put your headphones on so that it doesn't pick up the background music because it's going to interfere with the quality. And then have your statement with you or just free flow it and see how it feels. Every day I wake up energized and eager for my life. My life is magnificent. I attract the abundance into my life. My life is full of health, vitality, and... So you get the idea. Just whatever you want to come up with. Now, for this purpose, I didn't use my headphones. And then what you want to do, if you want to make it a bit more advanced, have your headphones in, listen to the audio. Maybe you want to change it. Maybe you want to move it around. You can highlight it in this program. There'll be similar features in other software that you use. And then you can go into effects and you can play around with these. So if you want to put some reverb on there, adjust the settings, you can preview it here. Every day I wake up ready, eager for life, and excited for the journey ahead. And then once you've got your settings, you've mixed it as you're happy with it, play around with the audio levels. Obviously you don't want the music too loud. You want to find a nice balance. But that's a whole nother topic. I'm sure there's a bunch of tutorials from musicians and other people in that industry that can help you with that stuff. Now this is obviously a sample and it's not finished, but let's assume it's finished. What you do is you go onto File and then Export. In this particular software, export as an MP3, and there'll be some other similar feature depending on what software you're using, but you want to export it so that you can have it on your phone or your computer. Just ease of use, ease of access, so you can listen to it every day. And that's pretty much it. So now I'll show you a sample of a finished product of one that I made for myself, and the one that I did, I actually put a few different layers of different tracks in there because I wanted some binaural beats, some theta music in there, just to have a bit more impact in the way that I was using it. So you can have a listen to that right now. I'm so happy and grateful to be alive and healthy. I am perfect health. I have perfect vision, and my body looks and feels amazing. I'm energized every day. I sleep perfectly every night and wake up feeling young and full of energy. And if you're looking to take this a step further, you can use something like Peggy McColl's Power Life script program, where it will share with you how you can actually create a life vision and a script for your life. And by doing this, you can use the audio as well. Now, I've personally created a vision for my life through writing it, and then I did this same process that we've done today in the audio affirmations. And I also listen to that daily because it really gets me amped up and keeps my focus on what I want to achieve in my life. So if that's something you need help with, then I'll recommend the program from Peggy McColl, the Power Life script, which I'll post a link below this video if you want to check that out. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and now you can make your own audio affirmations, your own audio life script, or whatever it is that you want to do, anything audio based. I personally find it super powerful and it's helped me a lot in my life.